Tell me a little bit about what you guys are looking for.
Just something more or less for like the pre-contract signing side of things, like some sort of like a file management, bid management, following up, stuff like that. So things don't get lost, things get checked on. Everything from when we get the proposal to sending out or signing the contract, and then all that stuff in between.
What are you guys using to do this now? Is it spreadsheets? Is it everything in between?
So like right now it's a combination of like SharePoint, our local server, and then I use HubSpot for the CRM stuff. And then that's kind of the stack as of right now.
Okay. So tell me why you're not tracking your bids in HubSpot then if you're using it for the CRM. Just doesn't work well?
Just something maybe a little bit more built towards construction, I guess, and then just seeing what else there is out there,
Yeah. Totally. Whereas construction specific HubSpot isn't, but file management, that was one of the first things that you mentioned. That's really
file management is a huge one. It is something that can combine all of that stuff, into one. Exactly.
And you guys use Sage 100 Contractor too?
Yes. Yeah. So that's something we're going to stick with and use. So if it could integrate with that, these obviously like our proposals are built in there, but I mean, if they don't have to be built in there, that would be a plus as well. Even better. Okay. Yeah.
So basically where we fall into the puzzle is we're built exactly kind of what you said, a HubSpot equivalent, but it's construction specific, and we do pipeline tracking and the CRM side. So hopefully being all that together under one hood. We do have file management. We do have a proposal tool that's actually pretty snazzy. And then we do integrate with Sage 100 Contractor 2 ways.
And then why did you guys choose Followup?
To get more of a overall view of things, a little bit more control in communications and an idea of where things are at, so stuff doesn't slip through the cracks.
And then what changes have you seen so far with like your company?
Better follow-up procedures. Yeah.
Awesome. And then did you feel like you guys have been a little bit more organized or anything?
Yes, definitely.
And then what's your personal favorite part about Followup?
Just keeping notes on projects and contacts. Reaching out to a contact and being able to see what my past conversations with them were about.
True.